Okay, you know, I don't even know where we're going. This is incredible. We're going upstairs. This is crazy, guys. We're going upstairs. I'm so scared. What are we doing? What are we doing? Thank you. Woo, we made it. Are you excited, Jay?
No, I'm sweating.
We're not even gonna stand in line because it's just way too hot for that. I guess we don't really have like an immediate urge to go inside. I know that we'll get the chance to play the games on Thursday with Nintendo in their private area, so I'm not too concerned. Day 1 of E3, and I am so excited. For this whole next 3 days, I do have 2 missions. One mission is to give 𝘚𝘚𝘚𝘀 his own custom amiibo. And then another mission is for you guys here attending at E3. I am giving away 500 Super Smash Bros. Ultimate invitations and just handing them out for free and just giving them to people who love the game. The lines are really intense just because it's day 1 and everyone still has to get their badges. Everyone's kind of trying to know where everything is. It's really super excited. I do want to say a huge thank you to Nintendo for providing the badges that Jay and I have. I hope you guys are excited for another year of E3. I'm so happy with the announcements this morning. So ecstatic when it comes to Animal Crossing. I can't believe that they showed a lot more than I thought they were going to. And then we got 2 new characters for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. So I think it's perfect that I'll be handing out these small invitations for random people that love Nintendo. So yeah, let's get this day started.
I'm not saying what I want to get because I want to get it.
We're not going to jinx him, so he'll tell us after. What'd you get?
Oh, I got All Might.
Let me see, Jay.
I would have been fine with Shoto too, but
yeah.
I wanted Bakugo because look at the design of it.
Wow, you're so lucky.
See? Dude, nothing could beat the detail.
Oh, wow,
yeah.
That's cool.
Yes.
Nice.
Dude.
How was it?
Huh?
Was it easy to climb?
Oh, it was easy, yeah.
Oh, it was really easy? That is what he just climbed to get a free shirt. So this is for the Olympics with Sonic and Mario. So everyone's trying to climb that tower and be getting shirts for free. Today has been so amazing thus far. Finally getting to see everyone that we've talked to online and people we haven't seen in years, and that's always my favorite part. And I absolutely love this year because I've seen a lot of people that I miss. And we've been seeing the Nintendo booth too, which looks incredible. With the Nintendo booth for Pokemon, if you wait in line, you get this really cute pin pack. But we didn't wait in line because we are gonna play it on Thursday. So I'm not like rushing to go get it. I just love seeing everyone and getting to catch up. And Jason played a couple of indie games too. Dude, like the Pokemon, I guess, arena is amazing. I love Nintendo. It's literally always like Disneyland every single year. And they really try to make you think that you're in their world. I'm out of breath. But we still have to see West Hall, so that's where we're going. West Hall! So Jay is gonna go for the, which one? My Hero?
My Hero, keep it going.
You get that and more anime in there.
Oh, cool.
Ooh, thank you. We're about to do this unboxing though real quick.
Jokes.
We got jokes for days.
Oh, that's Haru?
Oh my god. What is that?
Oh my god.
The candy?
Oh!
Oh, what a ninja.
Oh, Dave.
Oh, you're so cool.
Wow. Now you can grow a beard.
Oh.
It's actually really hot.
Ridiculous.
Do you want to take a shower? I'm sweaty.
Did you guys see Amador?
Yeah. Did you see Sleep?
Yes.
No.
Did you see Yoshi?
Yeah.
Yes.
They wanted
Good looking
to
as
see-
ever.
I think he said that.
You know what's crazy?
karaoke. We just got back from Korean barbecue. So the first day has been crazy, really late, and I'm just gonna end it here. We're at Tokyo Beats in Little Tokyo. We are going to sing karaoke and then get ready for tomorrow. So thank you so much for joining me on this first day of E3. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you're so excited for this E3. And it's been so much fun. Can't wait to see you in the next couple of days. Bye! Day 2 of E3. Jay, slow down. We're basically just gonna run around. Fun day, easy day. We got home really late last night and I'm kind of tired. Like I said, today is just an easy day, and then tomorrow we're gonna have our private meeting with Nintendo. I'm almost done passing out all the cards, but I really can't wait to edit that video. I think it's gonna be really cute. I'm gonna try as many of the games as possible, not only Nintendo's booth, but like Bandai's and everyone else's. We did get a VIP bracelet for Bandai, so it's gonna be awesome to just go in there and see their games. Right now we're heading to G Fuel because they're amazing and I love all the guys. We hung out with them last night and it was really fun. Yes, I'll keep you guys updated. And then we're gonna go eat, and then we'll probably do something afterwards. So, no. It was a really good second day. It was really just me checking out the rest of the booths because I've been hanging around Nintendo's all of yesterday. So today was really nice to actually just kind of sit back, relax, and enjoy. Tomorrow we actually have a meeting with Nintendo at 1:30, and then we'll be there for like an hour with Nintendo on their new games in the private area in their booth for only CEOs and executives. So it's gonna be really awesome to see everyone. And like I said, we do have a mission, which is to give Doug Bowser his own custom Amiibo. So we'll see how that goes. So we just got back from eating. Wow, my voice sounds terrible. So my voice.
Talk normally. Oh my gosh.
So we just got done eating.
Sushi.
Sushi, yeah, all you can eat sushi. Did you like it?
Sushi ippo.
Sushi ippo. Since we have an appointment with Nintendo, we have to wake up early-ish. And I don't want to miss our appointment because we're going to meet everyone. Everyone from Nintendo, which I'm really excited about because I know that they've all been working really hard this weekend. So every time I even got a glance of any of them, they'd be like, oh, hi, bye. They're just working really hard. So at least we get to see everyone tomorrow. And we get to play the games. And I'm bringing him, and I'm bringing him, and I'm bringing myself, and I'm bringing my sister. And we're all going to play Luigi's Mansion, Pokemon Sword and Shield, and Link's Awakening. Got to see a lot of Nintendo ambassadors. And I just wanted to say, like, you guys are awesome. And I'll have all their links down below. So check them out because they're really cool. I'll probably post a picture over here with everyone that I've gotten to meet and take pictures with. I'll have a separate video for all the invitations that I passed out, which is 500 invitations. And then the next cool video is giving Doug Bowser his own custom Amiibo, which is really exciting. I can't wait. I think this is gonna be the coolest thing. So we're gonna try to capture that tomorrow, including the private Nintendo booth tour. But I just wanted to make sure to go on the vlog and say goodnight. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what game you're excited for. Because there's a ton. Like Luigi's Mansion. It looks so good. I'm about to lose my voice. You want to say anything?
Just coughed on me.
Oh, I did. I'm so sorry. Bye. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. So like I said, we have an appointment today with Nintendo. Very, very busy day. We're trying to meet everyone as much as possible before we have to go back to Vegas. Appointment at 1:30 to 3, and it'll be all the demos on the show floor without the lines. So I'm really excited. And then we just have a lot of free time to go and say hi to everyone and bye. I'm excited, I'm excited. We have a mission today to give Doug Bowser his custom amiibo. I hope he loves it. I don't know if we're even gonna be able to give it to him today. So we're early at our appointment. I thought we were gonna miss it, but whew, on time. Private Nintendo booth tour in a couple of minutes. Super excited because everyone's here and I cannot wait to say hi. My brother and sister and, well, brother-in-law, he's gonna join us as well. So you get to see all the new Nintendo games. Yes, let's do this.
I'm Masha, guys, and I'm ready to play with you guys.
Nice to meet you, Masha.
Nice to meet you. Welcome.
You know, I don't even know where we're going. This is incredible. We're going upstairs. No way. Okay, so we're in this crazy section. You know what? I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you. This is so crazy. To everyone who got Super Smash Bros. Ultimate invites, thank you so much for the support. I hope you guys enjoy a small little DIY from me. Just seeing their reactions were incredible. If you want to watch that video, I'll have that link down below. If you want to watch the video of me giving Doug Bowser his custom amiibo, that will be linked down below as well. Doug Bowser said hi, and I gave him his amiibo, and we said hi and I hugged him. What else do I say? I mean, that's so crazy. And to the team at Nintendo who put their heart and passion into everything that they do, thank you so much. Thank you for bringing my friends and family and me to E3 this year and giving them an amazing experience they will never forget. We did it. We did two things that I planned and hopefully wanted to do at E3, and we did it. And thank you so much for the memories. Let me know which vlog was your favorite. I would like to know what kind of content you guys would like to see. And of course, more custom amiibo and nerd DIYs coming very soon. This E3, hands down, has been the best one ever. The next event that I'll be seeing you guys is, of course, EVO in Las Vegas. Let me know if you guys are going. I would love to see you. And thank you so much for the support. As always, see you guys next time. Bye!